Bird hit my window. Let's see if I can help it out. Seems to be stunned. Up on the roof. Hey, little guy. Just resting? Did you break your foot or something? See, I'll set you on the ground. Okay. But we don't want no predators to get you. More of these cats. These damn cats might get at you. Let's set you on here for a sec. No, we'll set you in the bush, eh? Set you on the edge of the bush, then you can hide in the trees till you recover. Little heart just a going, eh? Maybe you broke a wing? I'll come back and check on you later. Well, bird's gone, so he probably just needed to rest up good. And yeah, hopefully he's doing okay.